Hey guys, Scott Ulmer here with Little Pink House of America, coming up to Atlanta October 12th through the 14th to do a training on how to buy houses without using any money or credit, executive level homes, and how we sell them to folks who can afford a mortgage and a down payment, but for a lot of reasons may not be able to qualify for a traditional loan today. That's really the niche that we operate in. We're big believers in creating homeowners. In fact, that is our mission statement. We create homeowners. You can make a heck of a profit and make an impact on people's lives at the same time, which is really our mission and it's our purpose. So I just want to do a quick walkthrough of our office here. I'm actually bringing our deal making team with me here, and I'm just going to walk through and say hello to everybody. So there's Miss Lori right there. Say hi, Lori. Lori will be joining us here, and so we can also be bringing Michael, who some of you may have seen at the preview talk here a couple weeks ago. Mike, you in there? Say hello to everybody. Mike will be up there.
See you guys up there in a couple weeks.
Very much. October 12th through the 14th. All right, coming in. There's Jeffrey on the phone as always, phone professional. Jeff will be there as well, putting the deals together, and got a lot of really exciting content. Just walking through the office here, want to introduce you to the team I'm going to be bringing with me, and we got a guy over here, Danny. He's on the phone, or is he not on the phone? Look at that guy. Marketing guru expertise. That's really as good as it gets. So listen, want to have a little fun with the video, but the reality is it's a great system. 23 years doing this. This is the best system and strategy that I've ever run across. It's tried and true. It's a format that you guys will find easy to follow. If you can follow directions, follow a blueprint, it's a great strategy. So October 12th through the 14th, there'll be a link at the bottom of this page here. If you have questions, call. We hope to see you there. I can promise you it'll be full of a lot of good nuggets of knowledge. You will walk out of the training and have the ability to do deals without any other help. We do offer that, but you will leave with the tools you need to do deals. So we hope to see you there. It's going to be a great weekend, and I got to say one final thing, Danny. I hope I don't turn anyone away by what I'm about to show them here, which is the Buckeye flag. Got to let you know we're Buckeyes through and through. So go Bucks, right? What's this? What's he saying over there?
Fly Eagles. Fly.
Oh no. Okay, we've turned off enough people. They don't like the Bucks or the Eagles. So anyway, we have a lot of fun, and we certainly hope you guys will join us here in a couple weeks, October 12th to the 14th. I can promise you it's going to be a great weekend, and we hope to see you guys there. Thanks.